SellerPic, an AI visualization tool tailored for e-commerce professionals, has fully upgraded its multi-category template library. It precisely covers 7 core scenarios, freeing you from design challenges once and for all. Let's start exploring with the fashion templates. There are multiple templates to choose from, making it perfect for merchants who want to create marketing visuals but don't know where to start. Note, when uploading product images, please select those that match the reference image. Try to avoid images with models or images featuring incomplete product display. Instead, choose product front views without models. There are 3 ways to upload your product images. You can fill in 2 key features of your product here. This helps generate better results. Meanwhile, you can also click the bottom left corner to select different models for generation, adjust the image aspect ratio, and set the number of images to generate. Let's start by selecting this clothing showcasing template to check the effect. You can click on the hands to drag and move the image's position. After the image is generated, you can click to zoom in and view the details, then click Compare to check the comparison. Let's take a look at the details. They match the original. If you're satisfied with this result, you can click to download. There are 3 download formats to choose from. Let's try another one, the fabric change template. Click here to select the fabric style you want your clothing to be changed into, then describe the type of your clothing, and click Use to generate. You can also view the generated comparison image to check the effect. The consistency is excellent, and the details match the original. If you encounter any issues, you can click the triangle icon in the top right corner to submit feedback. Then click Download to get the high-quality marketing image immediately. Now log on to the official website www.sellerpic.ai and start your efficient, worry-free new design journey right away.